you guys have problem? You can't change your app store because you have a credit balance. So now as you can see, I have this problem on this my Apple ID. Now guys, as you can see, now I can change my country. The problem is solved. So guys, watch until the end if you want to fix this problem. So as you can see, now I can change my country. So welcome to my channel guys. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your app store country if you have a credit balance on your account. So guys, as you can see, I have a credit balance on my account. Now I can change my app store country. So let me show you the problem. So guys, now as you can see here, you have a store credit balance. You must spend your balance before you change the country or region. So guys, this is a problem on my Apple ID. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem guys. So first of all guys, you need a VPN. You need to download the VPN. If you are in the United States, you don't need the VPN. Then go to the Safari browser, search here for support.apple.com. Then click on go button. Then guys, search here for, then type here cannot change app store country. Then guys, click on change your Apple ID country or region. Then guys, scroll down all the way. So now as you can see here guys, if you still can't change your country or region, you have a less store credit. So as you can see, you can read here. So now guys, just simply click on contact Apple support, then scroll down, click on subscription and purchases. So guys, if you are in United States, you will get the option chat us. So if you don't get this option, just go to the VPN and connect your VPN to the United States server. So let me connect my VPN to the United States server. So now guys, the VPN is connected. Now go to the Safari browser again and refresh the page. Then scroll down, click on contact Apple support again. Then click on subscription and purchases. So guys, this time you will get the extra option. Just click on the topic is not listed. Now describe your problem. Then guys, simply just click on continue. So now guys, just click on continue. Now this time guys, you will get the chat option. Just click on chat and wait for few seconds. Now enter your information here. Enter the email address of your Apple ID. Then describe your problem again. Then simply guys, just click on continue button. And guys, now you will be connected to the Apple advisor and they will help you. So watch until the end so you can fix your problem. Just click on continue. So guys, now as you can see, I'm connecting to the advisor. So now tell them your problem. So guys, let them know which server you want to change. Now guys, just wait for a few minutes, so they will let you know when you can change your app store. So guys, now the problem is solved. Now go to the app store again. Let me show you the problem is solved or not. Just tap on your username, close the app store once and open the app store again. Now click on user icon, then click on your username, then click on country and region. So now guys, as you can see, we can change the country and region. So the problem is solved. So this is how you can solve your problem, guys. So let me change my country. So as you can see, so guys, this is how you can get the help from Apple, and you can change your country of your app store. So guys, I always got the comment of this problem, so I made a video on it. So hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.